In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import settings into Brave browser. By the end, you'll have your bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, autofill details, and other compatible preferences moved over from another browser, so you can keep browsing without missing a beat. Start by opening your Brave browser. Make sure it's up to date and that you're signed into the profile you want to use. At the top right corner of the window, click the three-line menu icon. This opens Brave's main menu with options for your tools and preferences. From that menu, click Settings. Brave will open the Settings page in a new tab. On this page, look for the Get Started section. Inside that section, click Import Bookmarks and Settings. This is the built-in importer that brings your data into Brave. A small window will appear. In the drop-down menu at the top, select the browser or account you want to import from. If you have multiple profiles in that browser, choose the one that actually holds the data you care about. Depending on the source, you'll see checkboxes for items like bookmarks, history, saved passwords, autofill data, cookies, and search engines. Leave checked the items you want to bring over. Some options may be unavailable if Brave can't access them, and that's normal. In some cases, your operating system may ask you to authorize access to saved passwords. Simply approve that if you want passwords imported. When you're ready, click Import. Brave will process the selection and confirm when it's done. This usually takes only a few seconds, though very large libraries of bookmarks or history can take a little longer. After the import completes, your bookmarks will appear in Brave's Bookmarks Manager, often inside a folder named Imported or similar. You can rearrange them, move them to the bookmarks bar, or delete duplicates later. Your default search engine and other supported settings will update behind the scenes. If you selected History, you can find those pages in Brave's History, which makes it easy to reopen frequently visited sites. If you don't see your data right away, try refreshing the page or reopening Brave. And if something didn't import, run the importer again and double-check that you chose the correct source profile. Closing the other browser during import can also help if files are locked. That's it. You've successfully imported your settings into Brave browser, and you're ready to browse with your familiar setup. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.